Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at puddle lights in the Jaguar F-Type. Now on this car they're located at the bottom of the door here, and as standard out of the factory it comes with standard filament bulbs. I don't even think they're LED, I think they're standard filament shadow lights that go on the bottom of the door here. And what you can do is you can buy aftermarket puddle lights that have like a Projector logo in them that show any number of logos depending on what you buy. So today we're going to take a look at swapping out those underdoor lights for some aftermarket Projector lights that put the logo on the floor. Now these aren't fancy, these are just eBay jobbies. I'm pretty sure they've come from halfway across the world. I've had a set on here before, but over time they've faded. It's sort of a pretty well-known fact that aftermarket Projector lights fade over time, they lose their clarity. These have been going, or the ones that are in here have been going about 2 years now, and it's time to replace them. The cost to wear of buying expensive ones, I think you can spend about £200 or £300 on some proper ones that don't fade, whereas these were £15. The cost to wear over time just makes it a little bit more worthwhile, in my opinion, using the cheaper ones. But anyway, let's get round to fitting these, and if you're not already, please do sub by hitting that channel down below and stay tuned. So it really couldn't be easier to remove these lights. All you need is a flat-headed screwdriver, and you just pop out one end of the light, and then it will expose the wiring, which just pulls off like that. Simple. Now I just want to show you a second. This is the unit we've taken out, and this is a Projector unit that I've previously fitted, and I just want to show you why it is these fail. Now here there's a little tab, and you can rotate this, and what it does is it changes the angle of the logo that's projected on the floor. But what you can do is you can pop out the Projector disc, if you want to call it that, and this is what projects the logo on the floor. And I guess this is because the manufacturers who make these aftermarket products make one light unit to fit many different Projector designs. And I just want to show you this. You can see how it's lost clarity. That no longer represents the Jaguar logo with the leaper, and it's sort of almost, for lack of a better term, it's burnt out. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this whole unit. I've got some new ones. You saw how easy it was to take out. We're going to pop some new ones in and see how they look. So I've got the new units here. For some reason they've provided some extension looms. We don't need them for these. So all I'm going to do is locate my wire, I'm going to plug it in, and there we have it. All I then do is clip it in. Job done. Now it's pretty hard to see in the daylight, so I'm just going to use this black background there, but you can see the clarity on that now. It's been changed out, and it really was like a 3-second job to click that in. So it's going to take me longer to move the car than it did to fit this one, but I'm going to move the car over so I can get to the other door, and we're going to do the other side. Now just before I do that, this is the old one and this is the new one here, and I want to show you the old and the new. The difference there is staggering. You can really see how time has taken its toll. Now interestingly, they look identical. These aren't the same brand of aftermarket lights. That's the old one, that's the new one. You can see they're ever so slightly different, but this is the same. So arguably I could have kept the old unit and just changed the lens, but for what it's worth I'm just going to change out the whole thing. And there you have it. It really is as easy as that. One tool, 5 seconds aside, and they are about £15 from eBay or AliExpress, somewhere like that. Come in loads of different designs. As you saw, that little projector bit comes out so you can interchange. You could have different ones on either side if you wanted, but it really is a cheap and easy mod that is quite quick and cost effective. So there you go. One thing to bear in mind is these do get very warm, so I don't think there have been any documented cases of them catching fire. I don't know, but do your own research and don't take this as advice. But anyway guys, nice, quick, cheap video for a little modification to do to your car. If you're not already, please do sub to the channel by hitting that button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, I've managed to bend one of the pins. That's not good. There we go.